I am selling a used Housefly 2, the 4-channel RC helicopter made by Megatech. And the reason I'm selling it is I've had a lot of fun with it, but it's just time to move on. So anyway, here is the helicopter, and it's in used condition, but I'll point out a couple of things. First of all, we've got an extra battery that's included here. The 4-channel receiver is also included, and fires up, and the servos all work. I'll fly it in a second for you. Quickly, the only damage this helicopter has is the tail has taken a few hits. So you can see there's some super glue in the pink area there. It's holding up just fine. But this is a $12 piece online. And also, there's a little tiny crack in the canopy underneath here. Let's see if I can get that. There it is, a little hole right there. And that's pretty much it. Again, extra battery is worth 35 bucks. Pick that up online, and I'll show you how it flies. And so now what I'll do is I'll put it up in the box, and I won't fly it again until it's sold. So I got the instructions, got the extra battery here, and I also have the battery charger, of course, and the controller. So happy bidding, and I'll put this in the box. Got a couple of extra blades in there as well, but good luck.